exploring the phrase, to make memories. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll delve into a beautiful and widely used phrase in the English language, to make memories. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you insight into a concept that's deeply rooted in our experiences and emotions. So, let's get started on this exciting journey. To make memories is a phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning. It's not just about creating memories. It's about engaging in activities or experiences that are memorable and significant. These are the moments that you cherish, the ones that bring a smile to your face when you look back. They are snapshots of life that remain etched in your heart and mind. Making memories is essential because it connects us to our past, shapes our present, and influences our future. These memories become stories we share, lessons we learn, and the legacy we leave behind. They are not just reflections of our journeys. They are the milestones that mark our path in life. Making memories doesn't always require grand gestures or exotic locations. It can be as simple as spending quality time with loved ones, trying out new things, or even overcoming challenges. The key is to be present in the moment, to fully engage with the experience, and to find joy in the journey. Once made, it's important to cherish these memories and share them with others. Whether it's through stories, photographs, or personal reflections, sharing memories allows us to connect with others, pass down traditions, and keep the essence of those moments alive. In conclusion, to make memories is to create treasures of the heart. It's about capturing the moments that matter, the experiences that define us, and the journeys that connect us. We hope this video has inspired you to go out and make your own beautiful memories. Thank you for watching, and may your life be filled with memorable moments.